Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact support on Margex. To contact customer support for your Margex account, you will need to go ahead and watch the video till the end. Open your Margex application or website and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, go ahead and look for an option that says Help Center. It will be available right on the home page. If you don't see the Help Center option right on the home page, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Within the settings menu, scroll down and tap on support under Contact Us. Now you have two different options that you can contact the customer support team with. You can choose the chat option or email option. If you tap on the chat option, you will be able to see a chat box on the next page. Simply go ahead and select a topic and you will be guided through with the help of the chatbot. If you want to contact Margex support via email, under support section, click the email option instead of chat. It will then redirect you to your email platform where you can simply go ahead and type down the subject of your query and then write down your problem in the text box. Fill out the form with your issue providing necessary details, example your account information, problem and description, and submit it by tapping on the little send button at the top right corner or the arrow button at the top right corner. Once you send the email, you will receive a response from the support team. It may take a few hours for your customer support team to reach out to you, and the response time can vary depending on the volume of requests as well. That is how you can contact the support team or customer support for Margex. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.